Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon. Oh, sorry for the noise. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon, and it's a Friday afternoon, and I earned my Friday. I'm so happy. So in the afternoon, lunchtime, my husband told me, "Oh, something for you." I was so happy. Another loser unboxing. Okay, so here is the thing. So from time to time, maybe I will talk about this loser unboxing again. Loser, there is nothing wrong to be loser to begin with, to lose. That's how we learn. And why I call my things loser unboxing. So before, wow, oh my, that is very sleek. Oh, I love it. I love it. And I feel this packaging is pretty, so I bought this one. There are different kind of these lipsticks, and I find this quite sleek, so I bought this one, and we will give it a try. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, so loser unboxing. So before I went to a website, I buy something, I like to open it up, and then I saw other people doing the open up unboxing things, and the thing they are unboxing is something they got for free because they have a lot of subscribers, so companies sponsor them. And I never had it, so I was thinking I'm a loser, so I call it loser unboxing. And now I start to be more comfortable and confident because from time to time I get some people, company sponsor or give me free stuff. So it's called winner unboxing. It is good for the company who provide because I call it winner, right? And the one that I buy by myself, not sponsored, I pay my money, I lose my money to buy it. I call it loser unboxing. It's a fun and interesting way, but people who come to my channel more often understands that loser unboxing is the best respect for the product because I voluntarily pay money to buy it, and I'm happy with it, so I buy it. And you do not even need to pay me, you do not need to give me free stuff. I love you, so I buy it. So loser unboxing on my side, it does not sound good, but it's a true and ordinary and honest appraisal for the product. Okay, this is sublime. Let me take a picture of it. I love it. Now I think we can test the color. I heard people use the ooh, that's a lot of color. I want to buy something that does not have not too strong color. And people say, I got some people's customer review, they say the color is not strong. That's exactly what I want. I do not want it too strong. So that's good because of the white, the serum or some of the oil part make it colorless, less color. That is good. Okay, I will put on my lips. Okay. Okay, I move it a little bit. No color, and now I will try this color. I need to wear my glasses, I'm sorry. still it's quite a strong color, if I say. That's it. Is that too strong, too dark? It's better to have some darker color than too light color. That way. I think without this red, the white part, it will be too much. But with this white part, it dilute a little bit of the color. And, I think it's... Bye-bye, friends. I love you. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do.